This is a reflection on the element of fire. Its effervescence, hard to grasp, burns, gets too close. So what controls fire? Well, water douses it out. The type of wood affects the blaze of fire. Little twigs burn fast and dissipate. The bigger logs do not. It helps sustain a controlled fire. Also, wind controls or moves fire. In this wood stove, it's controlled by the flue that opens and closes the vents above. Like anything of the natural elements, and us humans to tend to one of these elements takes skill, patience, observation, experience, and then we might develop wisdom around this fire element.